Hi everyone, today we would like to introduce you how to use 3D magnet separator. This is the control panel. We can adjust the current to adjust the magnetic field strength by these hand wheels to adjust the current. Here's the feeding hopper. We can adjust this hand wheel and that one to control the feeding speed. Right now we are doing the experiment, therefore we adjust it feeding slowly. But normally the capacity is around 300 kilograms to 500 kilograms per hour. Explorer, the output is the iron ore. 3 discs with 3 different types of mineral ores. The first disc can separate the iron ore. And the second disc, here comes the titanium. The third one, it comes the tantalum-niobium ore. As for the tail disc, here, these are the non-magnetic mineral ores. For this material, here comes the tin ore. So that is the biggest advantage of this 3D magnetic separator. It can simultaneously to separate 4 different kinds of mineral ores at one time. Please notice that this is the dry magnet separator. Therefore, we have to feed the dry materials and the side more than 1 mm. The magnetic field of these 3 discs are different. By adjusting the current from the control panel. During the operation, you have to adjust the magnetic field
according to the separation effect.